Hello student, I am Miss Minal Kokre and we are studying Module 1 Load Forecasting of Power System Planning and Reliability subject. Okay. In last lecture we were discuss what is load forecasting. Okay. Then load curve, types of load curves. Okay. We also see one example of daily load curve. Okay. And load characteristics, there are some definitions, that is load demand factor, load factor, diversity factor, power factor and utilization factor. Okay. And also we were discuss the types of loads. Okay, in this lecture we will go through the types of loads. Okay. As I said earlier, there are five types of load, that is domestic load, commercial load, industrial load, agricultural load and other loads. Okay. What is domestic loads exactly? See, these types of loads consist mainly of lights, fans, domestic appliances such as heater, refrigerator, air conditioners, mixers, ovens and small motors for pumping. Okay. See, domestic loads have the most constant annual growth rate and the most seasonal fluctuations. Okay, seasonal variations are responsible for seasonal variation in system peak. Okay, the the various factors are demand factor. The demand factor of domestic loads is up to 7 to 100%. Okay. Then the diversity factor is 1 to 2, 1 to 2 to 1.2 to 1.3%. 1.2 to 1.3, and the load factor is up to 10 to 15%. Okay, this is the domestic load. Okay, the domestic load, that means this is a residential load. Okay, the residential customers use energy for domestic purposes, whereas commercial and industrial customers obviously use the energy for respective purposes. Okay. The residential loads are more useful classified into of customers for forecasting purposes would be made by type of use, rate of schedule, then level of use and geographic area. Okay. Then the second type of load is commercial loads. Okay, this type of loads mainly consist of lighting for advertisement, boarding, fans, air conditioning, heating and other electrical appliances used in commercial. Okay, commercial loads are also characterized by seasonal fluctuations, and again the fluctuations are primarily due to extensive use of air conditioning and space heating. Okay. The introduction of new devices such as electric car, rapid transit, etc. will certainly influence the characteristics of future load. Okay. In commercial load, the demand factor is 90 to 100%. The diversity factor is 1.1 to 1.2 and the load factor is 25 to 30%. Okay. Next category is industrial loads. Industrial loads are considered base loads that contain little weather dependent variations. Depending on types of industry, these loads may have unique characteristics. Okay, the loads may be of following areas. Maybe of following ranges. That is, small scale industries of 0 to 20 kilowatt. Then medium scale industries of 20 to 100 kilowatt, and large scale industries of 100 and 100 and above kilowatt. Okay. The large scale industry load needs power over large period and remains throughout the day. ओके, लार्ज स्केल इंडस्ट्रीजमध्ये खूप म्हणजे भरपूर प्रमाणात पॉवर डिमांड असते. ओके, आणि ही फुल्ली अगदी अगदी ओव्हर थ्रू आउट द डे म्हणजे अगदी 24 hours ही डिमांड सेमच असते लार्ज स्केल इंडस्ट्रीजमध्ये. ओके, फॉर लार्ज स्केल इंडस्ट्रियल लोड्स the demand factor may be taken as 70 to 80%. Load factor is 60 to 65%. For small scale, this demand is zero. Small scale is 0 to 20 kilowatt. Okay, and medium scale is what? Up to 0 to 100 kilowatt, and large scale is 100 kilowatt and above. Okay. Next category is agricultural loads. Okay, in agricultural load, the demand factor is 90 to 100%, and the diversity factor is 1 to 1.5, and the load factor is 15 to 25%. Okay, and the last one is the other loads. Other loads are apart from the load mentioned above, that means agricultural, industrial, commercial, and residential, that is domestic. See, there are other loads such as street lighting, then traction, and government loads. They may have seasonal fluctuations depending on special cases. The average power requirement for different equipments by various loads are different. Okay, the annual energy consumption of other load is power into 8760 into load factor. Okay, the commercial and agricultural loads are characterized by seasonal variations, and industrial loads are base loads and are little weather dependent. Okay, this is about the types of loads. Then the next point is electrical load growth. We will see this in next lecture. Thank you.